Hello traders, and welcome to this week's market outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, financial content leader, and in this video I'm going to be giving an idea for a trade over the next few days, some of the narratives driving the possible movement, and what traders are where to take the position will need to be aware of in terms of important upcoming data. But before that, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week the idea was a possible buy for gold from the area slightly above 3,300 with a possible target around $3,400. The idea so far has been accurate, but the price hasn't quite reached the target yet. It might do within the next few days. This week the idea is a possible buy for the Nasdaq 100 symbol USTEC. We can see that since the latter part of April, the price of the index has been a fairly consistent medium-term uptrend, and it's possible that it might continue to gain and reach around 22,000 as the initial possible target. Beyond that, if there is no significant change in fundamentals, and the price might continue upward to reach a fresh all-time high in the medium term. Some of the main narratives that are driving the possible ongoing gains by the Nasdaq are the relatively lower emphasis on trade tension now compared to in April and early May, and overall the relatively strong earnings season in the USA, especially for tech companies. And we can also see that the VIX, the volatility index of the S&P 500, has declined significantly since a peak in April. It's currently below 20, which indicates some degree of confidence in markets, relatively low fear, but not so low as to suggest complacency. The most important release that's affecting most major financial markets this week is the American job report, including non-farm payrolls on Friday. It's possible that for stock markets in particular, traders might also be looking at the earnings of Broadcom, which will be after hours on Thursday. In summary, the possible idea for this week is a buy for the Nasdaq with a possible target around 22,000. The important narratives are relatively lower emphasis on trade wars and some degree of positivity from American earnings, while the VIX has declined significantly, and the critical data this week is the American job report on Friday. Please remember, this is just an idea for a trade, it's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success. You always need to do your own research and manage risk.